Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the 24Me calendar, planner and to-do app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. 24Me is a smart productivity app that combines your calendar, to-do lists, and reminders into one simple platform. It acts as a personal assistant by organizing your schedule, sending smart alerts, and helping you manage both personal and professional tasks efficiently. It's available on both iOS and Android and can sync with Google Calendar, Outlook, and other popular scheduling tools. The app's main feature is its smart task automation, which automatically adds reminders for bills, birthdays, meetings, and even errands. It allows you to set location-based reminders, add notes or voice memos, and organize everything with color-coded categories. You can also use it to manage multiple accounts and receive daily summaries of your upcoming events, keeping your day structured and stress-free. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its clean design, seamless synchronization across devices, and all-in-one functionality that reduces the need for separate calendar or task apps. It's especially useful for busy professionals and students who want a single space to handle meetings, tasks, and deadlines. However, there are some drawbacks. While the free version offers plenty, advanced features such as smart alerts, collaboration tools, and custom themes require a premium subscription. Some users also report minor syncing delays with third-party calendars. In summary, the 24Me app may be worth using if you want a smart, automated way to manage your calendar, reminders, and daily tasks all in one place. However, if you prefer simpler planners without AI-driven features or subscription costs, a basic calendar app might be enough for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.